Hi, my name is Yazan Ibrahim, also known as Yazan Abu Ghosh. Today we will take about 1.5 types of audits and assessments. Picture a world where information flows through vast networks of digital highways, connecting not just individuals, but entire organizations, cities, and industries. Every click, every transaction, every decision leaves behind a digital footprint, a trail of data that holds the story of our modern world. But with great connectivity comes great responsibility. Imagine the intricate web of systems operating within a business, servers storing sensitive data, financial records being calculated, applications facilitating transactions, or networks monitoring critical processes. How do we ensure that this immense system of technology, data, and operations runs securely, efficiently, and honestly? That is where the art and science of audits come into play. When people hear the term audit, they might picture stacks of paperwork or financial statements. But in the realm of information systems, IS, audits are far more expansive and dynamic. They help ensure that our digital infrastructure is not just functional, but safeguarded against potential risks, inefficiencies, and even fraud. Let's dive into the fascinating universe of IS audits, an essential practice that acts as a watchdog and guide for organizations navigating the treacherous waters of digital and operational success. The foundation of an IS audit, a digital checkup. Let's start with the IS audit itself. Imagine you're a doctor performing a checkup on an intricate living, breathing machine, your organization's information system. At its core, an IS audit is like this detailed examination. The goal? To collect and evaluate evidence that ensures the system operates as it should. Does it safeguard sensitive data? Check. Are its inner workings stable and reliable, maintaining integrity and availability? Check. Does it align with the organization's goals, providing accurate and relevant information to leaders? Check. Think of internal controls as the immune system of this machine, working invisibly to prevent, detect, or correct any anomalies before they cause harm. The IS audit assesses whether these internal controls are robust enough to stop undesirable events, like data breaches, downtime, or costly errors, from occurring. It also looks at resource usage, ensuring the machine isn't wasting energy, like a car guzzling more fuel than necessary. By pursuing this meticulous process, organizations ensure their systems are well oiled, secure, and poised to achieve their strategies effectively. Different types of audits, a tool for every job. Now, here's the exciting part. The world of audits isn't one size fits all. It's more like a versatile toolkit with different types of audits designed to tackle specific goals, risks, or areas of focus. Let's explore these types and how each plays a unique role in ensuring the health of an organization's systems. The compliance audit, playing by the rules. Picture a high-stakes game where the rules aren't optional, they're mandatory. This is the world of regulations, standards, and industry practices. A compliance audit is the referee, stepping in to ensure that an organization adheres to these rules. Whether it's ensuring data privacy under laws like GDPR or adhering to security frameworks like ISO 27001, compliance audits focus on testing controls specific to regulatory or industry requirements. However, compliance audits don't operate in isolation. They often intersect with other audits examining the same systems or processes through a regulatory lens. Imagine zooming into a security system. Does it follow the specific protocol outlined in regulations? If the answer is yes, the organization passes this crucial test, paving the way for trust and integrity in its operations. Financial audits, the lifeline of trust. Where compliance focuses on rules, financial audits ensure that an organization's financial information is not just accurate, but rock solid. Think of a financial audit as laying out an organization's financial story and scrutinizing every detail to verify its truth. Substantive testing, reviewing controls, and examining reliability are central to this audit. In today's digital era, these audits often extend deeper into systems, taking a risk-based approach. Gone are the days of focusing solely on paper trails. Instead, financial auditors assess the systems that process financial data for vulnerabilities, errors, or risks. The result? Stakeholders from investors to regulators can place their trust in numbers that tell the whole story. Operational audits, examining the workflows. Imagine lifting the hood of a car and examining every moving part to ensure not only its functionality but also its efficiency. That's what an operational audit does. It zooms in on specific processes or areas within an organization to evaluate internal controls. For instance, how secure is the system managing access to sensitive applications? Are logical controls in place preventing unauthorized users from entering digital doors? Similar to a detective solving a puzzle, operational audits dissect the processes, identifying inefficiencies or vulnerabilities that may not be obvious on the surface. By improving these workflows, the organization gears up for a smoother, more productive future. Underscore integrated audits, the all-in-one approach. Some organizations don't want just one angle, they want the full picture. That's where integrated audits come in. Imagine blending financial and operational audit steps, creating a holistic review of an organization's objectives, resource use, and systems. An integrated audit evaluates not only whether financial systems are accurate, but also how operational systems contribute to achieving broader organizational objectives. By taking this comprehensive approach, organizations gain deeper insights while aligning their internal controls with both efficiency and compliance goals. Specialized audits, diving into unique challenges. Now here's where things get even more fascinating. Imagine you need an audit with a laser-sharp focus on particular risks or areas. Welcome to the world of specialized audits, where experts tailor their investigations to solve highly specific problems or dig into specialized domains. Within this category, we find some truly intriguing branches. Third-party service audits. In an age of outsourcing, organizations increasingly rely on external vendors to handle crucial services, from payroll processing to cloud storage. This type of audit examines those third-party providers, ensuring their controls are up to par. Essentially, it bridges the trust gap between the organization and its external partners. Fraud audit. Imagine shining a detective's flashlight into the darkest corners of an organization's operations, searching for deception. Fraud audits reveal irregularities, uncover fraud schemes, and provide accountability. Forensic audits. With a forensic audit, the stakes are even higher. This specialized audit works meticulously to uncover evidence that might be used in courtrooms. It's not just about identifying wrongdoing, it's about preparing a compelling case for law enforcement and judicial authorities. Computer forensic audits. Picture investigators handling digital evidence with delicate precision. Laptops, routers, and even smartphones become central to this kind of audit. From tracking the source of a security breach to recovering digital evidence, these audits play a crucial role in cybersecurity investigations. Functional audits, a final quality check. Finally, there's the functional audit. Picture yourself as an engineer testing a newly built bridge. Before it's open to the public, you'd want to verify that every part of it meets the specs and that it can withstand daily use. Similarly, a functional audit evaluates software products or systems, ensuring their actual performance aligns with what's promised in the blueprints. Whether it's before delivery or post-implementation, these audits confirm that a system does precisely what it's intended to do. Why it all matters. Organizations live and breathe in a digital ecosystem that demands constant vigilance. Systems must operate efficiently, protect information, maintain compliance, and foster trust. The diverse range of audits we've explored work in harmony to achieve these goals, covering everything from the integrity of financial data to the security of outsourced processes. In the end, the value of audits lies not in catching failures, but in preventing them. They're the shields protecting our digital landscapes, ensuring that businesses can thrive and grow with confidence. And through their precise, tailored approaches, these audits provide a roadmap toward a future that is secure, efficient, and trustworthy. Thank you for watching, and as always, continue learning. Stay curious, and we'll see you next video.